Morning time, family. Morning time. So today I'm going to install a hot water tank. So I'm going to show you how to install a hot water tank by yourself. So if you're at home and your hot water tank damaged and you feel like to change it, you can do it by yourself. Alright, this is the hot water tank, electric hot water tank, 50 gallon. So it's damaged, water leaking, that's not good. You can change the element then, but I'm going to change this one today. So these are all the pipes that control the hot water tank. The right side is the cold, the left side is the hot. So always remember that. The right side is the cold, left side is the hot. Alright, so let's change this one today. So I'm going to my favorite store to get this hot water tank. Alright, so my store is Home Depot, which that's where I basically purchase hot water tank from. Okay, so stay tuned. We're going to Home Depot. Okay, so we're at Home Depot right now. Alright, we're going to get that hot water tank. So stay tuned. Home Depot, hot water tank, aisle 34. These are all the hot water tank here. So let's go get the one that we need. So right now I'm getting a 55 gallon hot water tank. Understand? 3 to 5 people. 4,500 watt heating element. You get 6-year limited warranty on it. Alright, so that's the one I'm getting. Okay, so let's get it. Okay, so now we get the hot water tank. There are a couple more parts I need. So yeah, let's get that parts. So this is the pan, hot water tank pan. So you don't have to wet up the place when you install that one. Alright. So now we're going in the plumbing section. Get some more parts to go along with it. So let's go get those parts. So you need a 3/4 ball valve, one, and you're going to need adapter. We need some 3/4 adapter. So let's see if we can find it. 3/4 adapter. Okay. We need one, two female adapter, 3/4, and you need one 3/4 male adapter. So that's 3 of them you need for it. Alright. Then you're gonna get Gonna get one CPVC pipe because we are dealing with the hot water and we're going to take it in 3/4. Alright, so 3/4. So we have everything. So see, hot water tank, 3/4 length of pipe. Then we have the male and female adapter, and we have our pan. So let's go. Okay, so now that we got our hot water tank, this is the new one that we're going to install. Alright, this is the old one that we're going to dispose of. So there are 3 main steps that you have to do. Alright, first, locate the water. Remember, always turn off the main valve. So right here, main valve is off. Then check for any water. Make sure you have no water. Okay, that is good. First step. Second step, check the breaker, hot water heater. That's 9 and 8 for the hot water heater. 9 and 8 off. Make sure, very important. Alright, that is very important. So now you're going to do the next step. So once you have all the tool and you, then you're going to remove your wire. So this is the 220 wire. Very important, you have to move it. There are 3 screws on the top, so you make sure you untighten. So you have to always check the wire once you remove it. Make sure you check the wire so there's no current in here. This current is a 220 current. You don't want to feel that. So you make sure you have your meter to test. Make sure that no current in here. So now that you're removed, all the parts on the grind. So we're gonna install sheet metal. 1, 2, 3. Alright? Check tape. Check tape will stop it from leak. A lot of other people use different stuff, but I like to use the check tape. So whatever you prefer to use, that's on you. You know? But I like to use the check tape. Check tape finish. Now, so this is a 3/4 female adapter, right? And now I'm going to install it. Female adapter. Perfect. And you know, you got the hot and you got the cold, so you have to bear that in mind as well. Now I'm going to tighten both of them. Make sure they're well tight. If you have to check it one more time, please go ahead and do so. Pressure relief valve. So you're going to install the main one here, because that's the pressure relief. Install this one here. Everything is good there. So now we have to install it in the pan. Remember, we installed the shower pan already. So the shower pan, I'm sorry, again. Okay. So this one is good. one is okay now, so I'm going to do the next side. Remember the ball valve, turn it off. So to make sure that you got that. So I'm going to cut a little bit piece more of it. You just need to give it a little twist. Make sure that you're good, right? Until much out of the way. Just a little twist. So now we're going to do this cutting right here. Waste a little bit of the pipe, but a lot of people will say, oh, they rather take just things and do what they every person is different, but not really wasting it. Good. That's it. Alright. Okay, so this is how you do it yourself. You know, so this is a Home Depot hot water tank, working perfectly. Yeah, everything. You have to make sure you turn on the breaker. All right. So this is how you do it. So quick tip. 1. Install a water tank. 2. Reset back all the pipe fittings. 3, turn on back the water, lock off, make sure that you turn it on back. 4, install back your electrical wire for the hot water tank. Then once everything is bleed, you turn on the pipe, let everything bleed out, then you can flip the switch. But you have to put current